Do you really need a tax professional, or can you handle your taxes yourself? That's one of the most common and important questions for taxpayers across the USA. Tax season affects your wallet, your stress level, and sometimes even your future. In this video, you'll discover the honest answer, and when it truly matters, for your tax strategy. Let's break it down. Filing taxes yourself can be quick, cost-effective, and gives you complete control. If your finances are simple, like a single job, standard deduction, and no major life changes, DIY software or IRS tools make filing easier than ever. DIY filing helps you understand your finances and can even encourage smarter money decisions throughout the year. But there are some big caveats. Mistakes on your return, misunderstood rules, or missed credits and deductions can cost you money, or trigger IRS audits. If you've had major life changes, got married, divorced, bought a home or business, or started investing, your taxes may be more complex, and the risk of error grows. Business owners, freelancers, and those with multiple income sources or rental property should seriously consider a pro for compliance, audit protection, and tax savings. A qualified tax professional can find deductions or credits you'd miss, ensure accuracy, and even give you peace of mind in case the IRS comes calling. Of course, they charge for their expertise, so weigh the cost against your tax complexity and the size of your refund. Checking in with a professional every few years can help catch mistakes and amend past returns, even for DIY filers. Bottom line: if your taxes are straightforward, filing yourself can save money and build confidence. For more complex situations, a professional may be well worth the investment. Choose the path that fits your finances best, and remember, it's okay to switch strategies as your life changes. In summary, filing yourself works for simple returns and those ready to invest the time. But if your finances are complicated or stakes are high, hiring a pro can protect you, and might save money in the long run. Have questions? Visit our website or email us directly. If you found this video helpful, or know someone who might, please like, comment, and share. Want the latest updates? Subscribe today and stay informed.